Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY course on flower making, and this course is brought to you by What's Your Hobby. This is the first tutorial video in a module dedicated to flowers from foam sheets. In this episode, let's learn how to easily make these two beautiful flowers from foam sheet. We'll now take a look at the materials required. To make this flower, you will need only foam sheets, a sharp pair of scissors and glue gun. The first step for the flower is to cut small circles of foam sheets. I have used circles of diameter 4 cm. Cut along the diameter of each circle to get perfect halves. Now take one of these and fold it twice and apply glue to the ends as shown. Now you have to apply glue to seal the center of the petal. I have made and kept 6 such petals ready. Gently press down and separate the tip of each petal to give the flower a bent look. Take one such petal and apply glue to one end of it. Then use the glue to arrange the petals side by side. Now all you have to do is to glue together the petals and the flower is ready. And for the final touch, I am going to stick a bead at the center of the flower. To summarize, you can take a look at the steps shown here to refresh your memory. I hope that you all loved this first flower. Now let's learn to make one more flower in this episode. For this design too, you will need just foam sheets, glue gun and scissors. I'll be using glitter foam sheets. First, cut out multiple circles from the foam sheet. I used a diameter of 4 cm for this. Apply glue to the tips of the side opposite to where the glitter is. This will give us one petal for the flower. Now we have to stick together all the petals like this. Pretty simple, right? I hope that you all try these two designs. See you all later in a new video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.